Today I'm going to show you a free Bitcoin method on Cash App. Cash App is a full-service banking and investing app. You can find hundreds of tutorials on my channel for how to use it. Up at the top left you'll see a cash balance. This is where you can send money back and forth from your bank. With this cash balance you can use things like their card to spend the balance. And this is where it gets interesting because you can get some perks, some discounts, and even some free Bitcoin. Like I said, this is a physical card that you can swipe at stores or use online, and it's going to spend your cash balance here. Along with this is a thing called boosts. So you can tap explore boosts and it's going to show you all of the discounts and options that you have. And if we scroll down here towards the bottom, you're going to see a couple options here in blue at the top with Bitcoin. Earn 10% worth of Bitcoin on one order at any restaurant, or earn 10% worth of Bitcoin on one order any coffee shop. And you should be able to use these once a day. So all I have to do is tap add. This is going to apply the boost. I can close this out. You can see that right under the card now. Earn 10% worth of Bitcoin on any purchase. So now all I have to do is use my Cash App card at any restaurant, and it's going to give me 10% worth of the purchase value in Bitcoin for free. As an example, here's a transaction I did at Chick-fil-A yesterday. You can see my Bitcoin boost was applied, and I was able to earn 0.00003744 Bitcoin. If we put that in an estimator, it's a little over $1 worth. So it's nothing crazy, but for everyday purchases, you could be able to use this and stack up a little bit of Bitcoin for free. The free Bitcoin will come right here in the app under the Bitcoin section. You can see I have 0.002 Bitcoin in here worth about $57. So there you go. There's a method for getting free Bitcoin. Just start using the Cash App card for everyday purchases and you can stack some Bitcoin for free. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. There's thousands of finance app tutorial videos on my channel, so you can check those out. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.